So, I'm sitting here in San Marco Square in Venice, having a coffee, watching people, definitely not working. And somehow, my business is still moving. Emails getting written, content getting posted, leads getting followed up, and I'm not doing any of it. AI is. That's the crazy part. While I'm here pretending to be on vacation, AI is back home, handling the work, writing content, automating follow-up, even building pages, and yes, even creating videos using my avatar. So technically, I'm here in Venice and also working at the same time. That's exactly what I'm going to show you in just 45 minutes. How to use AI to save time, move faster, and stop doing everything manually, because let's be honest, you weren't meant to sit behind a screen all day. You were meant to be here, enjoying life, while your business keeps running. And if I look relaxed, it's not the coffee, it's the automation. I'll see you there.